Alright, so as you can see, we got all the rest of the tile off of the wall here. It took us about a good 30 to 45 minutes. Now, it would take about 5 to 10 minutes for a professional, but one of the things that I do is, and what I advise most people who are not professionals to do, is to use your hammer and hit it, but don't go crazy, because you don't know what's behind the drywall. You don't know if it's electrical, and if you go in there and you smash in there and you smash the electrical or you smash the plumbing, see how you got plumbing behind here, right? The plumbing was behind the wall, so you don't want to be smashing this pipe here and then put a hole in it or whatever. So it's going to take a little bit longer if you're not a professional, and all you're doing is really breaking up the tile and loosening the drywall, and then it just comes off like butter. Now, the next step for us is we got to get this tub out of here, and all of these screws, all of these drywall screws all over the wall got to be either screwed in or taken out, because they're going to be taking too much space and causing us not to be flush when we put our new drywall up. Thank you. With that, it's Tony Pang, and that's One to Grow On.